Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss how to treat bunions. Here are some special exercises to treat bunions without surgery. Exercise number 1, toe stretching. Grab a thick elastic band and put it around both of your big toes. Turn your feet upward until you feel the stretch in your toes. Hold the position for 1 minute, then relax your feet. Do this exercise for 15 minutes twice a day. Exercise number 2, toe flexing. Arching the balls of your feet upwards, press your toes against the hard surface for 10 seconds. Flex them in the opposite direction and hold again for 10 seconds. Repeat 3 or 4 times several times a day. Exercise number 3, ball rolling. Sit on a chair and place a tennis or golf ball beneath your foot. Roll it back and forth, especially beneath the mounts of your toes. Repeat 5 to 10 times daily. Exercise number 4, sole cupping. Sit on a chair and cup the sole of the affected foot in your palm. Work your fingers as far as you can between your toes. Then move your toes back and forth for 5 to 10 minutes. Repeat several times a day. Thanks for watching this video. Like and share this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.